7 signs your miracle is manifesting. I mean, right now. I mean, it is happening. Your miracle is now.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction Personal Empowerment Podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And we are thrilled, delighted, excited, and motivated to be bringing you this daily podcast on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Blog Talk Radio, and around the net. Thank you so much for listening. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Oh, it feels good to be flying high, doesn't it, high flyers? I am so excited that you're listening to this particular podcast because your miracle is now. We're going to get into that in just a moment, but I want to extend to you a special invitation to receive valuable information, life-changing information, absolutely free by joining us. No matter where you're at around the world, we have a special presentation of manifesting beyond belief. It's only an hour, but this hour is cram-packed full of information that will absolutely change your life. It will turn you into a super manifester. So visit startmanifesting.com. That's www.startmanifesting.com, and be sure and register before it's too late. Okay? We only have so much room. Okay? We want you there. Don't miss out. Startmanifesting.com. It's coming up. Now, let me tell you about this. Are you ready? I have 7 super signs that your miracle is manifesting right now. Number 1, you are beginning to see what you desire everywhere. For example, there's a new car that I want to put in my garage. I love this car. Every time I think about this car, I get excited. And guess what? I'm seeing this car everywhere. I never saw it before, but now I'm attuned to it. I'm in vibrational alignment with this car. And so the more I see the car, the more I desire it, the more emotional energy I put into it, and the more I connect with the infinite field of potential, and boom, kaboom, there it is. That new car is in my garage. It's that exciting. So perhaps it's your career. Maybe it's a relationship. You start to see what you desire. So maybe you're in a bad relationship. You guys are always fighting. Things aren't that good. But everywhere you go, you see people that are lovey-dovey. They are holding each other's hands. They are showing concern and care for each other. That means that good things are manifesting in your relationship. Give it time. Give it a moment or two. Take a breath. Let it happen. Okay? Oh, yeah. Let's take that breath. Soaring high like a beautiful eagle. Hey, I want to remind you to be sure and subscribe to us on YouTube, because every month we give away 3 audio programs to 3 different recipients. It's absolutely wonderful. And we do that also on Instagram as well.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert Zink.
Number 2, you keep seeing numbers such as 1111, or 777. Now, I urge you to listen to our podcast on 1111 because we go into depth on 1111 and what it means. But 777, I mean, that's like, well, okay, so if I add 7 plus 7 plus 7, I equal, what do I equal? 21. That is the gematria number for the highest name of deity in the Kabbalah. I mean, it's a powerful number. I mean, you go to the casinos. What do they have when you win the jackpot? 777. Why? Because there is a historical context to this number being a symbol of winning big, of manifestation, of wealth, of abundance, of prosperity. Are you seeing 777? Okay, I know you are. I know that you are. So 1111, 777. I would also say 999 can be important because 999 means you're just about there. Oh, it's just around the corner. Your miracle. It's manifesting. Number 3, new people, new opportunities start coming into your life. People want you to do things. They want you to go places. You run into new people who have skills. And Rachel and I have a friend, and I think she's kind of a master at that, isn't she? She knows how to make contacts with new people, and she's very good about keeping their name and number and what they do. And when something comes up, she has that resource. New people mean new opportunities, and new opportunities oftentimes mean new people. They kind of go together. But when you have new people and new blood and new energy coming into your life, new vibration, that's a sign that your miracle is manifesting right now. Oh, yeah, it is. It is. I am so excited. Now, as well as new people coming into your life, some old people, I don't mean old in age, but people that were in your life in the past, and you go, why did we ever go our separate directions? Whatever happened? What did I do wrong? And all of a sudden, old friends, old resources will start showing up. They'll contact you. They'll send you an email. Hey, I was dreaming about you the other night, and you'd be perfect for this, and blah, blah, blah. You get the idea? You're going to have old resources coming back into your life. You have new opportunities and resources and people coming into your life. Old people, new people, it's great. You are manifesting. So there you go, the first 4 signs.
Awaken the most powerful creative visualization techniques used by extraordinary achievers all over the world. One of the most powerful secrets to success and happiness is creative visualization. Many celebrities have endorsed creative visualization, such as Jim Carrey, Tiger Woods, Oprah, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Will Smith, and Bill Gates. Not to mention greats like John F. Kennedy and Albert Einstein. Now you can release the astonishing power of creative visualization in your life. Achieve your goals, boost confidence, accelerate health, uncover opportunities, bust free from anxiety and stress. You deserve to have the money you want, the love you crave, and the health and energy you need. Get Robert and Rachel Zink's Creative Visualization Program today. This simple and easy-to-use program will have you attracting the life you desire. Download your copy now at www.lawofattractionsolutions.com. Put the incredible power of your mind to work for you with creative visualization.
Sign number 5. I know it doesn't seem this way, but things begin to get easier. Rachel and I have been talking about this. It's less about motivation and more about developing systems And the more you have systems in place for everything, develop a system. This is our system for doing it. And unless you come up with a better system, stick with that system and make it work. Invest in it for 28 days. Because by investing in that system for 28 days, it becomes a habit. And people win with good habits. People attract with good habits. People manifest with good habits. The universe will literally conspire to make things happen for you as things get easier because you've put systems into place. Number 6, everything begins to speed up. In the beginning, when you first start a business, for example, everything goes fast. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Everything is moving fast. When you have a new relationship, oh, I'm falling in love. Oh my God, boom, 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 boom. Everything is moving fast. And then, we need a breath for this one. Everything begins to slow down. The business slows down. The relationship kind of gets stuck. Your career is on hold. But if you keep going through it, this is what the mystics would call the apophis stage, the destructive stage in anything. And it has to happen because it's part of the formula of creation. But if you will stick with it, if you will keep marching even though it's gooey and muddy outside and it's raining, keep going, keep walking, keep following the direction of the dreams that you set out, your goals and desires. If you will do that, everything will speed up. All of a sudden, your systems are in place. You're not fighting your systems anymore. You got things moving in the right direction. And guess what? Everything speeds up. And this is maybe out of all of these, this particular one, number 6, is maybe the most significant because when everything begins to speed up and you go, oh, wow, things have been going slow for so long. Now everything is speeding up. That's a sign that your miracle is manifesting right now. Okay. Number 7, you're having lucid dreams. You're dreaming of spirit animals. You're dreaming of people you have never met that are very high vibrational, that are guiding you. But usually I have one client, she has repetitive dreams of a white tiger. That's a very powerful totem animal in her life. Now, there's not really a white tiger out there. It's a spirit. It's an angel. It's an emanation from divine source, but it is coming through her subconscious mind and being codified as a white tiger. Somebody else might see something else. Okay? Somebody else might see a white horse. You get the idea. Okay? And you wake up in the morning and you go, why do I have to wake up? Things are going so well in my dream life. Everything's so vivid. I'm lucid. I'm being guided. And that's a wonderful thing. That's a beautiful sign that miracles are manifesting big time in your life. Oh, well, I could give you a few more, but that's it for right now. Thank you. And by the way, claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching. And, some of you are nice enough. You try to reach me on Facebook and Twitter and other places. The only place that we respond when a person has a situation that needs attention is they have to fill out our request for miracle mentoring and Alchemy Life Coaching at lawofattractionsolutions.com. We love a letter attached to it. That's wonderful. That helps us. Oftentimes it motivates me to call them sooner, but you have to do that. Okay? I appreciate it. I appreciate you trying to reach me on Facebook, and I love you following me on Instagram, and we love talking to you through email. But hey, listen, that's how we do it. Okay? That's our system. Remember we were talking about systems? Okay, our system is fill out the miracle mentoring form at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Okay, we are out of time. Thank you so much for listening, for supporting this podcast, for subscribing, and we will see you soon. Have a great day now, because you deserve it. Bye-bye.